everyone. Hey, this is Joy with Joy's Happy Hobbies. One more time and I'll get that name right without a stumble.
This is the fourth take.
This video is probably going to show up after 2 our time. We've had a little bit of technical difficulties going on behind the scenes, so hopefully this one will work. So I want to thank everyone who's participated in this giveaway to kick off to a new name. And we're going to put everybody's name on a wheel, and it's random selection. Thank you for everyone participating. We do have a rainy day, so if you hear dripping water, this is Washington in our winter. And my dogs are around, but Jackson and Jasmine, but they're sleeping, so I don't think they're going to be any problem. They're not going to bark or anything. So anyway, the family, my husband's behind the camera.
Hi.
Doing all this. Excuse me, frog in my throat. So anyway, oh, by the way, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell so you get future notifications, and hit the like button. Okay, we'll get to the names now. These are the people, the women, the participants that said yes in their comments. So we've got Susanna Molina, Kathleen Santos, Elizabeth Lenny, Tracy Tiffin. Hi Tracy, my friend. Laverne Hodge, Michelle Oriold. I hope I didn't mess that up too much, Michelle, sorry. Michelle Mills. We've got, here's another one I'm going to mess up. Lucia Bankier. Sorry, I hope I said it right. Ellen Taylor, Kathy Zimmerman, and hi Kathy, an old time friend of mine. I've known her for years. How are you doing? And Chantel from Dazzle Diamond Dreams. Okay, so we're gonna shuffle the names. Yeah, shuffle the names. Did it shuffle?
Yep. Okay.
All right, we're gonna start the wheel, and good luck everybody. Let's see who wins. Drum roll, drum roll. Come. Michelle Oriold is the winner. Michelle, oh, thank you, and congratulations for participating. Go ahead and link into my Facebook link in the description box of this video, and that'll bring you to my Facebook, and go ahead and message me with all your info, okay, where I'm going to send this to, and maybe your last name, or, yeah. Okay, so anyway, thanks for joining us, and hope this gets out, reasonably on time, and we'll say goodbye. Bye! Right on time.